The back door creaked open at 2 a.m. My Delta Force instincts took over, and the two hitmen were neutralized before they took a third step. I checked the leader's phone for his contact. A recent text from my wife read, "Make sure you use the knife. A gunshot is too loud for the neighbors." I texted, "It's done. Bring the money." She was waiting with her lover, a sheriff. Their night was about to end in a body bag. The back door creaked at 2 a.m., a whisper of hinges in the dark house. Delta instincts surged, muscle memory from ops and shadows long forgotten. Rolled off the bed, silent. Grabbed the knife from under the pillow. Listened. 2 sets of breaths, heavy boots on wood. They crossed the threshold. First step, second. Neutralized before the third. Arm lock on the leader, blade to throat. Gurgle. The other lunged, elbow strike to windpipe. Crumpled. Bodies slumped. Checked pulses, none. Leader's phone buzzed in his pocket. Pulled it. Screen lit. Recent text from Elena, my wife. "Make sure you use the knife. A gunshot is too loud for the neighbors." I texted, "It's done. Bring the money." She was waiting with her lover, a sheriff. Their night was about to end in a body bag. The back door creaked at 2 a.m., a whisper of hinges in the dark house. Delta instincts surged, muscle memory from ops and shadows long forgotten. Rolled off the bed, silent. Grabbed the knife from under the pillow. Listened. 2 sets of breaths, heavy boots on wood. They crossed the threshold. First step, second. Neutralized before the third. Arm lock on the leader, blade to throat. Gurgle. The other lunged, elbow strike to windpipe. Crumpled. Bodies slumped. Checked pulses, none. Leader's phone buzzed in his pocket. Pulled it. Screen lit. Recent text from Elena, my wife. "Make sure you use the knife. A gunshot is too loud for the neighbors." World fractured, but calm held. Texted back, "It's done. Bring the money." Her reply, "On our way." Storm inside. Controlled. She and her lover, the sheriff, waiting. Their end. No noise, no mess, just truth. Dragged bodies to the basement. Locked door. Cleaned traces. Sat in the dark. Waited. Headlights pierced the night. Car door. Footsteps. Door opened. Elena entered, sheriff behind. Envelope in her hand. Smiles. Triumphant. "Money," I said from the shadows. She froze. "Jack?" Light flicked. Their faces. Pale. Night ended. Theirs. Shock rooted me in the basement hours later. Bodies cooling on concrete. Elena's text glowed on the phone. Knife. Neighbors. My death. Planned. For what? Insurance? Freedom? Denial flickered, a reflex from too many close calls. Not her. Elena, my anchor through deployments. Vows in that church. Her letters, "Come home safe." But the message? Cold. Calculated. Silent realization crept, slow as blood pooling. Her late nights at work. Sheriff's visits. Official business. Whispers I'd caught. He's gone too much. Her distance after my last op. Subtle shifts. Perfume. The way she'd glance at him. Betrayal deepened. Infidelity? Deception? Subtle details built. Joint account, drains. Bills, she'd say. Our son, Max, asking, "Why does Uncle Sheriff come over?" Her laugh, sharp. Suspicion grew. Emotional manipulation. She'd poisoned our life. For him. Power? The sheriff's badge? Protection for her secrets? Sat with the phone. Scrolled. More texts. He's suspicious. Finish it soon. His reply, knife. Quiet. Money split. Inside, rage simmered. Controlled. No full truth yet. Just fragments. The plan? Her hand in it? Called Rachel, sister. Need a favor. She knew my past. Clean up. Later. Mind calculated. Wait for them. Unravel more. Dawn broke. Bodies hidden. Coffee brewed. Normal. Elena would come. With him. End it. Calm facade. Morning light filtered through curtains. Bodies in basement. Wrapped. Phone wiped. Waited. Inner conflict churned. Betrayed. Deceived. My home a trap set by her. Max at school, safe for now. Investigation began. Quiet. Sheriff's phone, hacked with a tool from my kit. Texts to Elena. Affair started 2 years ago. He's weak. Leave him. Her, soon. Insurance first. Phone records next. Pulled her logs, old contacts. Calls to hitmen. Quiet. Knife. Dates matched my suspicious nights. Observations. Drove past sheriff's station. Saw her car there. Lingering. His hand on her back. Simmered. Each clue a chain link. PI hired. Ex-op. Dig on Elena. Sheriff. Financials. Reports trickled. Elena's lover. Sheriff's corruption. Bribes. Her role. Informant. For money. Shocking. Max not mine. Sheriff's. False paternity. Our boy, her texts read. Tension built. Slow. External normalcy. Picked Max up. Hugged. Daddy's home. Storm inside. Manipulation clear. She'd lied about Max. Used me for cover. No confrontations. Let it fester. Step by step. Intellect over blade. Found safe. Cracked it. Insurance policy. Beneficiary, sheriff. Forged. Mind mapped. Trap perfect. They arrived. Envelope. Smiles. Results arrived. PI's file. Digital drop. Opened on laptop. Elena's affair. Pre-marriage. Sheriff's child. Max. Deception from vows. Hit ordered for payout. Shocking reveal. Sister knew. Rachel's warning call months ago. Watcher. Ignored. Verified. DNA from Kit. Sheriff's match. Elena's diary. Jack's blind. Our family soon. Truth. Her double life. Infidelity for power. Max. Theirs. My death. Final step. Confrontation cold. Living room. They entered. Envelope on table. Money, I said, from shadows. Elena froze. Jack? You're new, I said, flat. Handed binder. She scanned. Face drained. How? Months, I said. Sheriff drew. Bastard. Disarmed. Twist. Gun on floor. Shocked. Broken. Elena's tears. For Max. Our life? Lies, I cut. Composed. Recordings played. Their plans. Confessions. Sheriff begged. Mercy. Badge? No. Power move. Activated trace. Calls to feds. Anonymous. Corruption exposed. Recording sent. Sheriff arrested on spot. Elena's fraud. Payout voided. Max custody. Mine by law. She sobbed. Please. The boy? Ours no more, I said. Walked out. Cops swarmed. Devastating. Their empire dust. Bodies found later. Suicide pact? No. Cleanup mine. Max safe. Reflection. No pity. Clarity cold. Truth exposed. Betrayers suffered. Sheriff jailed. Elena broken. Family mine. Control absolute. Disconnected. Powerful. They and